In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a discount code for a product. To get started, head over to your Products tab and click on the specific product you want to work with. This is the product where the discount code will be applied, so make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help you avoid making changes to the wrong product later. Once you're inside the product settings, look at the top of the page and click on the Checkout tab. This is where you'll manage the buying experience for that product, including any pricing adjustments or promotional offers you want to make available to customers. If you're offering a limited time deal or trying to encourage more conversions, this is the section you'll be using. From there, click Add Discount Code. This will open the settings for creating a new code that buyers can enter during checkout. When you're naming your code, choose something simple, clear, and easy to remember. For example, a code like Save50 works well because it quickly tells buyers what the offer is. In general, shorter codes are easier for customers to type correctly and are less likely to create confusion. Next, enter the discount amount. You'll usually have the option to choose between a percentage discount or a fixed dollar amount off. A percentage discount can be useful if you want the offer to scale consistently, while a fixed amount may be better if you want a very specific reduction in price. Choose the option that best matches your promotion and double check the value before saving, just to make sure the discount reflects exactly what you intend to offer. If needed, you can also set quantity limits. This is helpful if you want to control how many times the code can be used, whether for a special campaign, a launch offer, or an exclusive promotion. Setting limits can help create urgency and also prevent overuse of the discount. Once everything looks right, click Save Changes. At that point, your discount code will be active and ready to use. The final step is to distribute the code to your buyers through whatever communication channels you're using, such as your sales page, email marketing, or promotional materials. Just make sure the code is shared clearly so customers know exactly what to enter at checkout. And that's it. You've successfully created a discount code for your product and made it available for your buyers.